if you can give me just a few minutes, I want to show you exactly how to spot clear trend moves, wait for better pullbacks, and time your entries with a lot more confidence. After this video, you'll understand how to avoid getting shaken out by small moves, how to follow the main trend, and how to catch those cleaner setups that many traders miss. If you stick with me for these next few minutes, this is going to make your chart reading way simpler and your trading decisions a lot clearer. I'm using TradingView to explain the indicator. I will be using GBP USD on 1 hour time frame. You can use any market or time frame. To add this indicator to your trading chart, it's really simple. Click on Indicators, then just type Trend Impulse Channels in the search bar and select the one created by Zyman. This is going to be it. Once you add it to your chart, you'll see this step-like line following price plus a channel with bands above and below. Now, let's talk about what you're actually looking at. The core of this indicator is that step line. Unlike smooth-moving averages that just round everything off, this line moves in defined steps. It only changes to a new step when price moves strongly enough to actually prove it. This helps you avoid reacting to tiny, meaningless price changes. You get to see when the market is really making a strong move instead of guessing if that wiggle on your chart means anything. The channel around this line isn't fixed either. It changes automatically based on volatility. When the market is moving fast and is more volatile, the channel widens to give price more room. When the market is calm, the channel tightens. This is all done using something called the average true range, or ATR, which is a common way to measure volatility. The point is, you don't have to adjust it manually all the time. It adapts to what the market is doing for you. You'll also see little circular markers on the line. These show you each time the indicator confirms a new step in the trend. They make it really easy to spot when the trend is continuing. Instead of staring at price bars wondering if it's still trending, these markers help you see it clearly. There are also triangle-shaped retest signals that can pop up. These show when price has pulled back to the edge of the channel and might be getting ready to continue in the same direction. These are great for spotting potential pullback entries. Now, let's dive into the settings you can change to suit your style. You can open the settings from here.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
One important setting is the trigger threshold. This controls how big a move price needs to make before the indicator confirms a new step. If you set it low, it will pick up more small moves but might be a little noisy. If you set it higher, it waits for bigger moves before registering a new step, which filters out the noise. This helps you decide how sensitive you want it to be. There's also the max step size. This puts a limit on how big any single step can get. That way, if there's a sudden huge spike in volatility, the indicator won't draw massive, hard-to-read steps all over your chart. It keeps things looking clean and realistic. The band multiplier controls how wide the channel bands are. A higher multiplier gives price more breathing room, so you don't get constant signals during small movements. A lower multiplier makes the channel tighter, which might catch more signals but can also be choppier. You also have a setting called Trend Hold by Bars. This tells the indicator how long price needs to stay in one direction before it's willing to flip the trend. This is really helpful for avoiding those annoying whipsaws where price flips direction too quickly and gives you false signals. And finally, there's the trend filter option. When you turn this on, those triangle retest signals will only show up if they match the overall direction of the trend. For example, in an uptrend, you'll only see signals for bullish pullbacks. This helps you avoid counter-trend trades and focus on setups with higher probability. Now let's talk about actually using this indicator in trading. First, you can use it to confirm trend direction. Just follow the step line and the circular markers. If you see multiple steps in a row without flipping, that's a clear sign of a strong trend. It helps you stay on the right side of the market instead of fighting it. Second, you can use it for retest entries. Wait for price to pull back toward the edge of the channel. If you see a triangle retest signal there, especially when the trend filter is on, that can be a good place to consider entering in the direction of the main trend. It's a way to buy on dips in an uptrend or sell on rallies in a downtrend. Here's an example. Imagine the market is trending up, and you see those step lines moving higher one after another. Then price pulls back down toward the lower band of the channel. As it touches the band, you notice the triangle retest signal appear. That's the sign the pullback might be ending. You can enter a buy here, placing your stop loss just below the recent swing low. Or you can give it more room if the recent swing low is too near the entry price, to protect yourself if it fails. This way, you're buying into the trend after it's taken a quick breather. These type of trades can give you amazing risk-to-reward ratios. Here's another example, but for a sell. Picture the market in a clear downtrend with the steps heading lower. Price then pulls back up toward the upper band of the channel. When it touches that band, the triangle retest signal shows up. That's your signal that the pullback is likely over. You can sell here with a stop loss above the recent swing high. You're basically joining the trend after it pauses for a moment. Then there is another method you can use this indicator to open buy and sell position is to spot breakouts. If price has been sitting calmly inside the channel for a while and then makes a strong move outside the upper or lower band, that can be your breakout signal. You want these breakouts to match the trend direction shown by the step line for better results. Now let's look at a breakout example. Suppose price has been moving sideways for a bit inside the channel in an uptrend. The steps are showing overall upward direction. Suddenly, price pushes strongly and clearly above the upper band. That breakout is your buy signal. It suggests the market is ready for the next leg up, and you can ride that move with the trend. And for a sell breakout, imagine the market is trending down, but going sideways inside the channel for a while. The steps are still pointing down overall. Then price breaks clearly below the lower band. That breakout confirms the sellers are in control again. It's your cue to enter a short trade, expecting the move to continue lower. What's great about this indicator is that it doesn't just react to every tiny move. It's designed to match the natural rhythm of the market. Strong impulses, cooling off periods, then another impulse. By showing this as clear steps and an adaptive channel, it helps you see when the trend is still healthy, when it's resting, and when it might be ready to continue. This structured view really cuts down on the guesswork. You don't have to keep wondering if that little pullback is the end of the trend or just a pause. You can see it laid out in a clear, rule-based way that reacts to real price movement. If you found value in this video, please leave a like or consider subscribing for more. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and I'll see you guys in the next video.